Well, Raptors Revenge. There we go. Come on, Raptor, come in here and say hello to me. Whoa. Come on, boys and girls, don't forget that magic word. You've got to give Raptor a bit of a hand. Well, Raptor, you've got about 30 seconds left. Come on, show us what you're made of. You've got about 25 now. Oh, and a big one to finish off by Raptor. There you go. Let's hear it for Raptor. And we got Samson. He likes the monster truck train.